I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays. I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays. I ain't gang banging, I'm a gang member. Love for my blood and the rest get the middle finger. You can get the trigger finger. Funny acting pussy nigga fraud. You ain't hard, play the part, you can get a nigga. Old head, long bread, chillin' and I'm sitting back. Feet up, living good, really, and I'm kicking back. Orchestrate to getting back, button pushing, pitching pack. Stuffing up the duffel with the hustle, nigga, give me that. Nah, really, give me that. Greed time, getting fat. Multiply the paperback. Gorilla, I'm a silverback. My mama cut the Similac with hot sauce and bacon fat. Really don't know how to act. Started, I'm a finished nigga, remember that. I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays. I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays.
I be out a lot, probably on the block. Be running from the cops, running in the knots. I put it in the pot, then I put the wop. Foam and let it lock, then I lock the spot. Like, welcome to my neighborhood. Got cookies in the flavor good. Put gelato in my backwood. Keep a banger when it's that good. Watch your head get through that hood. Yeah. My brody on the roof with a 16. Chopper in the bushes with a red beam. You done ran off with the wrong dope. Mini 14 got a long throat.
I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays. I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays.
Started off with a pinch, hopping over the fence. Garbage cans and dog shit, albino pits. Yule up in my fist, toaster up on my hip. Bringing home the bacon and the cheese and grits. Sometime my paper saggy, sometime my yaper crisp. Taking a stab at this rapping, selling dope a hit and miss. Grew up on the tar, pluck you like guitar. I be high as fuck, trying to touch the stars. Frank Mueller on my right, Rolex on my left. I don't like to fight, I just like sex. Hustler all my life, Popo like to raid. I've been getting paid since the 10th grade.
I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays. I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but critters over this way. Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch plays.
I can hear your voices from this side of the ground. Close my eyes and now I see what you see.
Look up at me on the pedestal, promising I'll never let it go. Commas and I'm seeing several. Say I'm the next to blow, next to bro. I'm in the saddle up, told me to saddle up. You get a lot of love, but it's not enough for the kids. Shut up, keep it bottled up. If I'm the next to just exit, hold my breath and just text it. Have my finger on the trigger. Fans told me, hold up, nigga, this through the strange land of most. Name Brandon Bose, almost jumped off the roof. Damn, that was close, love.
I can hear your voices from this side of the ground. Close my eyes and now I see what you see. And it's making me feel so, 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 so.
You call, I ain't picking up. Your checkbook ain't thick enough to deal with this fickle business. I'm just sick of this shit. I get a message from the kids that's sick of this shit. Said they would've slicked their wrists if they wasn't listening in the Chris. Love it when they said something about my lips. In the comments you ripping and throwing fits. I be numbing they pain, well I'm numbing my pain. We're like one and the same, minus the fame. I'm just looking up, little tipsy. I'm kinda lame. It's been a strange land of most. The name Brandon Bose. Almost tried to overdose. Damn, that was close. And you?
I can hear your
clicks, clicks, clicks. They'll do anything to get a few. Tick, 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 that's the sound before my head explodes. Quick, 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 look at you up on your pedestals. Quick, 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 hear the critics come, it's time to go. I read your article, it kinda hurt me. I don't know who hired you or what your friends say in your circle, but the fact that you released it tells me two things are for certain. They get paid for trashing people, I get paid cause I stay working. Drop the searching, they emerge up out of nowhere to the surface, just a peek behind the curtain, throwing salt at all my burdens. I'm aware I shouldn't give this my attention. Life's a journey, I should just stay on my path and learn to laugh. You think they heard me? Ears are burning, put them out. Quiet, quiet, look around. Why don't they find someone way more interesting to write about? Us, we're kinda boring, aren't we? All we do is whine and pout. It's confusing, so amusing how I argue with myself. Hello. I spit it with these, so leave it to me. Doubt it, but you better believe I'm on a rampage, hit 'em with the record release. Depending a week, I'm probably gonna have to achieve another goal. Let me go when I'm over the beat. I go into beast mode like I'm ready to feast. I'm fed up with these thieves trying to get me to bleed. They wanna see me taking out. Yep, see what I mean? How many records you gotta give you to get with the program? Take it for granted, I'm about to give you the whole plan. Open your mind up and take a look at the blueprint. Debate if you got it, but gotta hold it with both hands. Pick at the bars, you gotta be smart. You really gotta dig in your heart if you wanna get to the root of it. Issue pursuing the mental could be dark and be difficult, but the payoff at the end if it can help you to get through it. I paid my dose, made it through. Woo, 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 spread the news. I'm on the loose, woo, 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 making moves. I need some room, woo, woo, woo. Always cold, well don't assume, don't assume. Hey, I'm the truth. Oh, they want some proof here. Don't be rude, something new. Even when I lose, I make it look cool. Do the show, then we hit the room. Life is looking, oh, what to do? I don't need the shades up to like the view. It's time to get back in the swing of things. When my life crashes, I'm not the guy that'll flee the scene. I'll take ownership and own it and raise my hand if it's me. Just remember though, I'm only a man, I'm a human being. Don't they see? Shoot the breeze, I'd rather just stay discreet. People claim they're in your corner but leave you in times of need. They don't listen, do they? What? They don't listen to anything. I'll accept advice if it's not presented ignorantly. Look, costs are high, they multiply, they cause divides. I'm forced to fight the poison I've been sipping on is quite the bite. It killed me twice, they rigged the lights so y'all can see the parts of mine that aren't so bright. See, often I apologize and authorize the awful times to pop up. Like I'm right behind you, I'd advise you not to try to climb inside the mind like I do. Keep the rhyme book expedited, overnighted, hold it tight and hope the time is on my side. Cause if it's not, then I'll decide to override my own demise. I told the line too close and I could improvise. I'd empathize but recognize the fact that I could jeopardize and record lives. You better give me your attention and undivided. My dose, made it through, woo, woo, woo. Spread the news, I'm on the loose, making moves, I need some room. Always cold, well don't assume, don't assume. Hey, pay my dose, made it through, woo, woo, woo. Spread the news, I'm on the loose, making moves, I need some room. Always cold, well don't assume, don't assume. Yeah. What's your definition of success? I don't trust the thoughts that come inside my head. I don't trust this thing that beats inside my chest. Who I am and who I wanna be cannot connect. Why? Don't think I deserve it, you get no respect. I just made a couple mils, still not impressed. Let you down goes triple platinum, yeah, okay, I guess. Smile for a moment, then these questions starting to fill my head, not again. I push away the people that I love the most, why? I don't want no one to know I'm vulnerable, why? That makes me feel weak and so uncomfortable, why? Stop asking me questions, I just wanna feel alive until I die. This isn't Ace Flow, just let me rhyme, I'm in disguise. I'm a busy person, got no time for lies. One of a kind, they don't see it, I pull out their eyes. I'm on a rise, I've been doing this for most my life with no advice. Take my chances, I just roll the dice, do what I like. As a kid I was afraid of highs, put that aside. Now I'm here and they look so surprised, well so am I. Whoa. They don't invite me to the parties but I still arrive. Kick down the door and then I go inside. Give off that I do not belong here vibe. Then take the keys right off the counter and let's go for a ride. Why do y'all look mortified? I keep to myself, they think I'm sorta shy. Organized, Let You Down's the only song you've heard of, well then you're behind. Story time, wish that I could think like Big Sean does, but I just can't decide if I should stick my knife inside a Pennywise. I don't care what anybody else thinks, lies. I do not need nobody to help me, lies. I kinda feel guilty cause I'm wealthy, why? I don't understand understand, it's got me questioning like why? Just tell me why. Not back to this flow inside. I feel divided. Back when I ain't had a dime, but had to drive. Back before I ever signed, I question live. Like who am I, man? Woo! Nothing to me's ever good enough. I could be working for 24 hours a day and think I never did enough. My life is a movie, but there ain't no telling what you gonna see in my cinema. I wanna be great, but I get in the way of myself and I think about everything that I can never be. Why do I do it though? Hey, yeah. Why you always looking aggravated? Not a choice, you know I had to make it. When they talk about the greatest, they gon' probably never put us in a conversation. Like something that I gotta take it. Write something that I might erase it. I love it, then I really hate it. What's the problem next? I don't know. I know I like to preach to always be yourself, but my emotions make me feel like I am someone else. Me and pride have made a pact that we don't need no help, which feels like I'm at war inside myself, but I forgot the shells. I hold my issues up for all to see like show and tell. A lot of people know me, but not a lot know me well. Hold my issues up for all to see like show and tell. A lot of people know me, but they don't know me well.
Lil in that motherfucker. Yeah. I got a gold chain and some gold teeth, cocaine and an OE. Don't claim that you know me if you don't hang in these cold streets. Yeah, go slang when you go sleep, and I'm gon' take what you don't eat. You got no name and it's so lame. You got no bangers and no heat. I'm popping the molly. Woo! The fuck on my bitch, she hot with wasabi, she all on my body. Woo! She calling me papi, I'm calling the lobby to give me some food. Yeah, I'ma order that shrimp, put it all on the barbie. You know what to do. Yeah, I'm just doing my thing and they're not gonna stop me. AR with a red dot, got a loud bang when I let pop. Chicken chow mein out your head plop, hit the floor drop at the dead stop, hit the door pronto to sped up. In an orange Bronco with 10 cops right behind us, trying to find us with the sirens, but the best of. If they back down, I'm the class clown. Hey bank teller, give me cash now. We're a click clack and then pop pound, man. All my fucking homies act wild like rickety dickety duck. Yeah, Lil Winnie just picked up a Glock. Nah, Lil Winnie gon' dip to the block. Nah, I'm hitting the lick for the guap. Hey.